Hi guys, Roger on Honeybee Ridge. Today we are finally setting up the wind anemometer. This is this little device over here. This is just measuring the wind speed. That gets dumped into the controller here, and the controller measures the voltage coming off that anemometer and makes changes to the position of the panels based on what the wind is doing. So let's take these panels, let's put them in manual mode for a minute. Take them off the horizontal. Just so at the end here you can see what this all does. So this is the WST03-2 controller. The instructions for this are in Chinese. They're translated English from Chinese, and it's not great. So hopefully these settings help somebody out. How we get into the settings mode is we push the set button for 5 seconds. This menu comes up. Sunshine limit, we don't really need to mess with that. How we change the options. This is how we change into different options. North and south changes the setting itself. So wind speed limit, this is the voltage coming from the anemometer. At 1 volt, it'll figure that it's high winds. We don't need to mess with that for right now. Precision, we don't need to mess with that. Recovery time, that's how long it'll wait after the panels make a movement. Sun low to the south. So what this is, these settings, all these sun low settings, basically it's going to detect, excuse me, it's going to detect when the sun has gone away and make decisions on what to do when the sun has gone away. So in this case, the sun is low, it's going to move 17 seconds to the south. Sun is low, it's going to move to the north 36 seconds. I'll explain why these are important in a second. Sun low, it's going to move to the west 34 seconds. Then it's going to move to the east 36 seconds. Sun low delay, it's going to wait 1460 seconds before it makes any decision on what to do. Just the reason why that's important is if you have partially cloudy day, it won't send the controller won't send the panels all over the place looking for the sun. Wind lock time, 600 seconds. This is once it senses a wind event, it locks the panels down for 600 seconds. So wind movement to the south, 0 seconds, because the south is going this way, taking the panels vertical. I want the panels horizontal when we have a wind event, so we're going to move it 0 seconds to the south. Wind to the north, this is 35 seconds, is going to take my panels all the way as far as they'll go. And the reason I have it set for 35 seconds, that's the total time that my linear actuator moves from south to north. So no matter where it is, it'll go all the way to the north. That'll put the panel horizontal. Movement to the west, it's going to go 23 seconds. It actually, these should be reversed. I wish they were. It would make more sense. Wind movement to the east. So I take my panels 38 seconds, so I take it all the way to the east, and then I move it back 23 seconds, which puts it to horizontal. North-south wait time, this is how long it'll wait before making north-south adjustments on normal operation. East-west wait time is how long it'll wait before making east-west adjustments. This is basically so you don't wear out your actuators by going every second or 2 seconds. Sunshine limit, don't need to mess with that. Wind speed limit, we're right back to the beginning. So, alright, I'll hit quit on this, and the panels will automatically go into wind alert mode, I'm sure. So let's hit quit. It's going to save, and then let's step back, see what it does. So right now it's taking the panels all the way to the north, and at the same time you see it's moving them all the way to the east. This is so we have a standard reference point, we know how far to get back to horizontal. Now it's going to go south just for a hair, just so that the linear actuator has some pressure on it. it goes. Now it's going to go west to the halfway point. The way that you figure out how many seconds to make this go, you actually put a stopwatch on it and time how long it takes to get all the way across from east to west. Divide that in half, and that's your horizontal position. Same thing with north to south. Alright, hope this little video helps somebody out. I know it's been tough for me to find all these settings and figure them all out. Again, this is Roger on Honeybee Ridge. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.